Good morning, Superman. Hello, Rod. I hope your real goal. Your goal. Yes, getting my yard in order is my goal. Actually, I bought a bunch of so only the ones that have followed me for a long time will know. But I switched my house over from wood to propane heat. So when I did propane, I ended up having to trench a line to the garage, past the garage, and that's where I have my big torpedo tank for my propane. So scooped out all the soil, put it off to the side, laid down the lines, and then filled it back in. But obviously, all the soil you take out never ends up back in the hole. So now with winter and rain and everything melting, my kind of trench line is sunk down now. So I picked up, I think it was 12 or 15 bags of soil last week. So that's another thing that I have to do today is I have to spread all those bags of soil, fill in that trench line, put down some more grass seed. Hello, Justin, and yeah, because I did a bunch of raking down by the lake, and I've got piles of brush and weeds and sticks and stuff to pick up, except I can't pick it up because my lawn tractor trailer is filled with all the soil. When I took all the bags of soil out of my truck, I threw them in the trailer, and now my trailer is occupied, so now that's the plan is I've got to, I've got to empty the trailer so then I can use that for scooping up all the other stuff. And it's going to be 32, I think today, 32 degrees. It's going to be super duper hot. Thanks, Superman. You want me to get a haircut, right? So yeah, I am going to do this all in a little skimpy bikini and try and even out my tan, because I'm sure you guys have seen I've got some terrible tan lines going on. I made a mistake. I was wearing well, not these shorts, they were a crisscross lower one, but I was wearing shorts on the weekend and I might have worn my shorts a little too long, so I've got a short tan. I actually put on my sunless tanner that I put on my face. It's a very mild sunless tanner. I put that on my legs yesterday to hopefully try and smooth out some areas and look a little bit more bronze, because summer's here, full-fledged. It's going to be 27 degrees there. It's going to be hotter where I am than where you are. I have been through some summers where we don't even hit 30 degrees. We don't hit 30, and today is going to be 32. It's wild. When's vacation time? I don't take vacation. I never do. I work part-time. Every week's a vacation. I only work a couple days a week. 32 is 89. It's lovely. It's going to be a very hot summer, so it's the perfect summer to be on the lake. I love it. I don't need to get away. My house is enough of a vacation. People pay money to rent Airbnbs. Yes, I went to Mexico in the wintertime. Winter is long and cold, but summertime, I don't take holidays. I just get to relax at home, on the dock, on the beach, all the time. My morning routine, coffee with you guys. Am I in Florida? No, I'm Canadian. Definitely not in Florida. Dale, you got your boat ready? My boat's in the lake already. Actually, I need to clean it. with spring and all like the things falling from the trees, my boat is like full of stuff blowing around. It's been super, super windy lately. And I did order I don't even know what you call it, vinyl protectant, leather protectant, to do like all the seats in the boat to help like clean them and protect them. So I'll probably be doing that later today as well. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, like, share, follow. But yeah, it's gonna be so hot. So that's what I'm doing. My live first thing this morning. And then I'm free for the rest of the day. Why am I looking at you different this morning? Am I glowing or do I have a tan? It's probably just the sun. I've got a bit of a tan already. My voice is a relaxing center. I actually hear that a lot. There's a ton of people that say that, which is funny that if I ever listen to myself on a voice recording or like a voicemail, if I hear my own voice, I was like, oh, like I sound so silly. I hate listening to my own voice. But here we are with a ton of people saying that you guys find my voice very soothing. I just looked and we're getting to the 30. Okay. I don't know if I'm having 30 next week. I'm picking up some topsoil right now. Bags of topsoil from Walmart. Yeah, we all feel silly with our own voices. Is that a thing? In the dump truck. Well, can you drop a load off at my house? Because I had to pick up a bunch of bags from Walmart. And I guess I could have found somewhere that probably